Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lacquer spray guns that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun. At the top of our list, we have the TCP Global HVLP Spray Gun, which also happens to be our editor's choice. An excellent HVLP model, this lacquer spray gun has a wide pattern width range of 5.9 to 7.1, with a tip size of 2.5 mm and a capacity of 1 quart. This is an outstanding larger-sized lacquer spray gun. With a working pressure of 29 to 51 psi and an aluminum cup, this product is sure to be on the top of any home renovator's wish list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool Spray Gun with Cup. Next on our list we have the Astro Tool Spray Gun with Cup, which also happens to be our best value pick. Another fantastic HVLP model, this lacquer spray gun can spray a pattern width up to a huge 11, with a tip size of 1.8 and a working pressure of 50 to 60 psi. This is a great medium-sized lacquer spray gun. Additionally, the Astro Tools Spray Gun with Cup comes with a 1-year warranty and a 1 quart capacity as well. At number 3, we have the Fuji 9600G Gravity G-XPC Spray Gun. A little bit of a different type. The Fuji 9600G Gravity G-XPC Spray Gun is a gravity-feed HVLP gun that is compatible with turbines. With an adjustable pattern width of 1 inch to 12 inches, the Fuji 9600G Gravity G-XPC Spray Gun is sure to suit a large variety of needs. It has a tip size of 1.4 mm and contains up to 0.42 quarts. The Fuji 9600G Gravity G-XPC Spray Gun's cup is made from aluminum, and the spray gun comes with a 2-year warranty, which helps to ensure product functionality and durability. However, it has a higher price tag compared to other spray guns on the list. At number 2, we have the SPRAYIT SP33000K LVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun Kit. Another unique type of lacquer spray gun, the SPRAYIT SP33000K LVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun Kit is a gravity feed LVLP model. It comes with a variety of tip sizes, such as 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, 1.7 mm, which make this lacquer spray gun kit perfect for anyone who is dealing with a variety of projects and needs their spray gun to be extremely versatile. In this kit, you can find a wrench, plastic storage case as well as an air regulator. The SPRAYIT SP33000K LVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun Kit has a plastic cup that can hold up to 0.6 quarts of lacquer. This spray gun also has a 1 warranty to ensure that it works as it should for years to come. However, it will take some time to figure out how it works because the manual that comes with the package is not informative at all. And finally at number 1, we have the Ingersoll Rand 270G HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun. The Ingersoll Rand 270G HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun is a perfect HVLP model. With a tip size of 1.5 mm and a capacity of 1 quart, this is a wonderful larger-sized lacquer spray gun, with an adjustable pattern width and a working pressure of 40 psi max. Each user is sure to get the results they want each and every time. The Ingersoll Rand 270G HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun also comes with a 1-year warranty, which will ensure that this spray gun will perform well even if you use it quite frequently.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.